Nicholas Hong, Product Specialist for Life Science Solutions at Heidolph North America. Today we'll be talking about our HeiFLOW Core Peristaltic pumps. The HeiFLOW Core Peristaltic pump is our standard model. The HeiFLOW Core comes in two different variants, allowing us to accommodate a wide speed range and different flow rates. This makes the HeiFLOW Core the perfect peristaltic pump for a variety of experiments and liquid transfers. The first HeiFLOW Core variant is called the HeiFLOW Core 120. The HeiFLOW Core 120 is very versatile as the pump drive of this model can accommodate a single channel and a multi-channel pump head. The single channel pump head has a flow rate of 0.83 to 861 mm per minute, while the multi-channel pump head has a guaranteed flow rate of 0.005 to 364 mL per minute. Additionally, the HeiFLOW Core 120 has a control accuracy motor of plus or minus 2%. The second HeiFLOW Core variant is called the HeiFLOW Core 600. The HeiFLOW Core 600 is specifically made for procedures that require distribution of large volumes. The HeiFLOW Core 600 can only accommodate a single channel pump head, but this machine yields higher flow rates of up to 4,151 mL per minute. Finally, like the HeiFLOW Core 120, the HeiFLOW Core 600 has a control accuracy motor of plus or minus 2%. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Nicholas Hong, Product Specialist for Life Science Solutions at Heidolph North America. If you have any questions about the HeiFLOW Core Peristaltic pumps, feel free to reach out at us at the information below.